Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer all your WhatsApp chat and media from your old iPhone to a new iPhone. First, open the Settings app on both iPhones. Tap Display and Brightness, then tap Auto Lock and set it to Never. This prevents either phone from locking during the transfer. Next, on your old iPhone, open Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap WhatsApp. Make sure local network and camera permissions are enabled. If you don't see these options right away, you can allow them when WhatsApp prompts you during the transfer process. Now, open WhatsApp on your old iPhone. Tap Settings, then Chats, and select Transfer Chats to iPhone. Tap Start, and then tap OK. This will open the camera scanner. Keep this screen open because you'll need it in a moment. Next, open WhatsApp on your new iPhone. Tap Agree and Continue, choose your country, enter the same phone number you use on your old iPhone, then tap Next and confirm by tapping Yes. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code by SMS. Enter that code on your new iPhone. If the code is delivered to WhatsApp on your old phone while the scanner screen is open, quickly view the code from the notification banner and enter it on the new iPhone. After verification, your new iPhone will display a QR code. Use the old iPhone's camera scanner to scan that QR code. Once the scan is complete, the transfer will begin. Keep both phones close together, connected to Wi-Fi, and unlocked until the process finishes. When the transfer is done, all your chats and media will appear on your new iPhone. And that's how you transfer WhatsApp from an old iPhone to a new iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.